So this is my USB drive and it's not showing up on my Windows PC. Now let's see how to fix it. What we're going to do is right-click the Start button and open Disk Management. Now look for your USB drive. We'll usually see it labeled as removable. If it doesn't show up, try a different port or another computer first to see whether the USB drive itself is physically damaged. If that doesn't work, there's a good chance the drive itself may have physical damage. But if it does appear there but not in File Explorer, keep watching for other solutions. However, before we move on, if your USB drive contains important files, your first priority should be recovering the data and saving it somewhere else in case the situation gets worse. For data recovery, I'll be using Easys Data Recovery Wizard. It runs deep scan on damaged USB drives and recovers lost files, especially from older USB drives that have been heavily used over time. And all I need to do is select the USB drive, start the scan, and wait for the results. Once the files appear, double-click to preview them and make sure they're still intact. Then recover them to another location. Once our data is safe, we can continue with the USB repair. So one of the most common reasons a USB doesn't show up in File Explorer is simply a missing or conflicting drive letter. And here's how to fix it. Open Disk Management, locate your USB drive, right-click it, then choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add or Change, then assign a new drive letter that isn't currently being used. After that, the USB drive should immediately appear in File Explorer again. But if it doesn't work, the issue may be power management. When a USB device is idle for a while, Windows may temporarily suspend its power, instead of keeping the entire USB port fully active. To fix this, we can search for Control Panel, open it, go to Hardware and Sound, Power Options, change Plan Settings, change Advanced Power Settings. Then expand USB Settings and USB Selective Suspend Setting. Set the option to Disabled, then click Apply and restart your PC. This prevents Windows from automatically suspending USB devices too aggressively. Besides that, outdated or corrupted USB drivers can also prevent Windows from properly recognizing external devices. If that's the cause, here's how you can fix it. Right-click on Start menu and open Device Manager. Find and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Then right-click on the USB-related devices and choose Update Driver. First, you can try search automatically for drivers, and if that doesn't help, go back and select Browse My Computer for drivers and click this Let Me Pick option. Then reinstall the available USB controller driver. After that, restart your PC. This should make Windows regain the ability to properly detect our USB drive again. If you've already fixed the USB not showing up issue, don't forget to subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if not, let's keep going. Sometimes Windows simply fails to refresh our hardware properly after a disconnect or crash. And to fix this, open Device Manager again, find disk drives and expand it. Right-click on your USB drive and choose Uninstall Device. Don't panic. This only removes the device configuration temporarily. Then at the top menu, click Action and Scan for hardware changes. This forces Windows to redetect all connected storage devices from scratch, and in many cases, the USB drive comes back immediately afterward. And the final way is to try scrolling down the disk management window or just maximizing it. Sometimes the disk is hidden off-screen at the bottom. This sounds silly, but it actually happens more often than you'd think. However, if your USB drive still doesn't show up on your PC, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try my best to help.